Hi guys, this is me Finance by Swag, your finance friend, and we are running a video series on passive incomes. In the first video, we saw dividend income as the truest form of passive income. In this video, we are going to see passive incomes through real estate. The Indian real estate market is strong in Q2 of 2023, where sales are making new highs. Housing prices across top 8 cities in India have increased by 7% year to year. In general, passive income is great. It helps you generate savings for your retirement and it can help you attain financial independence early in life. Passive income is a great way to supplement your current income and it forms a steady stream of income for your retirement. Okay, so let's break down what are the options we have got for passive incomes through real estate. First one, rental income. This is by far the most common and the easiest way of passive income through real estate. You can earn rental income from your residential property, commercial property and any other property and have a regular stream of income. Let's understand few advantages of rental income as passive income. First one, a regular stream of income. Obviously, you get your rent on month-to-month basis. Second, property appreciation. Property prices have increased over the period of last 10 years by at least 8 to 10%. Hence, your property will be appreciated over year and year. Third one, asset remains in your ownership. You can sell off your asset anytime you want. Fourth, you can mortgage your property for additional funds. The property can be mortgaged for loan against property. So in terms of starting rental income as passive income, I would rate it 4 out of 5 as we need huge investments to buy a property and start earning money from it. Now let's understand how hard it is to maintain and earn money from it. First one, you lose your rent if property remains vacant. Simple. No tenant, no rental. Second, heavy investments while buying the property. Upfront investment while buying the property is huge and that is one of the most disadvantage of this rental income as passive income. Your real estate property needs to be maintained well. You have to deal with property tax, insurance. You have to deal with property tax, insurance, society maintenance, parking charges and other repairs and maintenance. Many guys hire a property manager to do all these jobs. So in terms of maintaining property, I would rate it 3 out of 5 as you need some active participation in it. As in terms of making money, I would rate it 2 out of 5 as once you start earning your rental income, you have to just collect your income in your bank account. Rental income is considered an income from house property and it is taxed as per your slab rates only. Normal income tax is applicable to rental income. Second form of passive income through real estate is vacation home rentals. Now these properties are typically the bungalows, the row houses at some scenic vacation spot. Punekars and Mumbaikars love Lonavala for our weekend vacation and it is one of the spot where vacation homes are rented out. One of the best things about vacation home is that you earn more rent on weekends than you earn in a whole month from a normal flat. Plus, you have an option to keep the weekend home for your own family and rent out other weekends for other persons. Investing into a vacation home property seems to be very much amazing as you can visit those properties with your family also and plus you can rent it out also. But before you invest, remember this, vacation home properties rentals depend on its location. The location is the only main factor over here. Your rental property can sit idle in off-peak seasons. In terms of starting, I would rate it 5 out of 5 as we need huge investments to buy vacation home properties and start earning money from it. In terms of maintenance of vacation home property, I would rate it 3 out of 5 as you need to have a caretaker to handle your renting business. As some active participation is required to earn money from such vacation home rentals, I would rate it 3 out of 5. But if you research your property well, then it is bound to go on a premium rent. This is the first part of video, rental income. Rental income is taxed as per, rental income is taxed under the rental income is taxed under the head of income from other sources and it is taxed as per your slab rates only. Normal income tax is applicable to rental income. Tax on vacation home rentals is as same as rental incomes. Normal income tax is applicable to your rental income from vacation home properties. The main aim of passive income is to earn money without any active participation. This may not be correct while earning rental income because we need active participation in searching good properties, searching tenants, getting attention to the repairs and maintenance, and also managing our own properties. Passive incomes from real estate can be difficult because we need some upfront investment while buying the property. But our third example of passive incomes through rental incomes is somewhat different. The third way to earn passive incomes through real estate is investing into REITs. Now, REITs stand for Real Estate Investment Trust. A real estate investment trust is just like a mutual fund, except you invest in portfolios of real estate instead of stocks. SEBI introduced REITs in India back in 2007, and today SEBI monitors all the REITs listed in stock exchanges. REITs invest our money in income generating real estate properties. They trade those properties and earn rentals from those properties. These are the two main types of incomes of REITs. Now they distribute some portion of the profits to us, and that is the revenue and passive income for us. You can buy REIT units in stock exchanges. For that you need to have a demat account. Now prices of these real estate investment trusts depend and vary as per the market conditions. There are three major types of REITs in India where you can invest. First one is Mindspace India Parks REIT. Second is Brookfields India Real Estate Trust. Third is Embassy Offices Parks REIT. Let's understand some advantages of such real estate investment trust. First one is regular income. As usual, REITs pay you dividend and part of rental income which they receive, and it can form a regular income for you. Second, good diversification of your investments. REITs can form a way to diversify your investments. Third one, regulated by SEBI. REITs operations are regulated by SEBI and there is a transparency in their operations. Fourth, liquidity. REITs are traded in stock exchanges and buyers and sellers can trade in them easily. There are few disadvantages of REITs also. First one is income is taxable in the hands of investors. Second, REITs can overperform and underperform depending on the market conditions. REITs are linked to the market and hence it can be a disadvantage also. In terms of starting income from REITs, it is easy, and as REITs are available in open market, I would rate it 1 out of 5. In terms of maintenance, I would rate it 1 out of 5 as REITs are there in your demat account and you get regular income easily. In terms of making money, I would rate it 3 out of 5 as REITs are linked to the market and not always market performs and not always REITs pay you stable income. If you are looking for a stable income strategy over the long term and earning financial freedom in life, then income from passive income through real estate is the best investment option you can have. But as we have already seen, earning income from real estate is not that passive. We have to actively participate into it and then we can earn some good money. One of the best way to earn passive incomes through real estate is to have a sound business strategy when it comes to searching the property, searching the right vacation spot, or identifying the next commercial spot which can give you good rentals. With proper planning and execution, you can create a money making machine which will pay you monthly income like salary, so that you are free to do anything you want and be tension free of earning money. Do let us know in comment section if you earn income from rental properties. And lastly, thank you so much for watching.